I'll be showing you the top Slide Cart Shopify apps. For each app, I'll be showing you what it's about, its features, its pricing, and reviews. So let's dive into our first app here. This one's called Slide Cart and Cart Upsell. So it's going to help boost conversions and AOV with cart upsells and cross-sells using their Slide Cart drawer. You can have different upsells and cross-sells such as free gifts and buy X get Y. You can add to unlock rewards bar. You can have announcement bars, discount boxes, and floating cart icons. As you can see, you can add all this to your sliding cart drawer. You can also add things such as recommended product. You can have customer rewards, so encouraging them to spend more and increase their AOV. You can show different announcements such as your cart is going to expire in X amount of minutes. You can have a floating cart icon, and you get customizations on how you want it to appear as well. In terms of pricing, this app has a free 7-day trial as well as a completely free plan with basic cart functionality, and it's going to go up in price depending on the exact features you're looking for. At $19.99 a month, announcements, a discount code box, a sticky cart, TNC checkbox, as well as custom HTML. In terms of reviews, it has an excellent 4.9 star rating with 366 5-star reviews. If we take a look at this AI summary here of what merchants think, they highly recommend this app for its ability to boost conversion rates and average order value. It's praised for its easy implementation, compatibility, clean design, and dynamic upselling features. Many appreciate the responsive and problem-solving customer support, as well as the app's continuous improvements. It's considered excellent value for the price, with some describing it as the best slide cart and cart drawer plugin available. So let's take a look at our next app here, Slide Cart Icky Cart Drawer. So you can add a sliding cart drawer and motivate your customers to unlock different types of rewards. You can see they have timer and announcement modules. You can motivate and reward customers. You can have different upsells and cross-sells, a simple customizer, different templates, a sticky cart, all on top of the sliding cart drawer. So you can have different timers, you can easily update your cart, you can have different upsell modules, and you can add discounts at the bottom that are automatically applied. You can customize the design to be part of your store and match the theme. And what's great about this app as well, it's completely free at the time of recording, and it has amazing reviews at 5-star reviews here with 133 5-star reviews. And the latest review said the application is user-friendly and easily customized. Anyone can adapt it to their specific needs easily. The support is also really great, and they're quick to respond to questions. And the most amazing aspect is that all these great features are completely free. So overall, really strong reviews here, especially considering that it's completely free. Let's take a look at our third app. This one's called Slide Cart and Sticky Add to Cart. So you can boost revenue and build high converting stores in just minutes. It's going to have your cart upsells and cross-sells, free shipping and progressive bars, your cart countdown timer, a note box, cart messages, estimated shipping rate, discount boxes, trust badges, and more. And it's going to allow customers to check out instantly, and it's going to help reduce cart abandonment as well. And on top of that, it is going to help boost AOV by adding different cross-sells and upsells, which is going to make it more profitable per customer. And the announcement bar is going to create that sense of urgency and FOMO. It's also going to have a free shipping bar to help encourage customers to boost their cart sizes. In terms of pricing, there's a 7-day free trial, and there is a completely free plan with all the basic features such as the sticky add to cart, floating cart button, analytics, as well as the checkout message. And at $9.99 a month, at the time of recording, it says it's 50% off. You get everything in free plus all the other features. And if you're on Shopify Plus, it's going to be $99.99. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 310 5-star reviews. If we go to the What Merchants Think summary, merchants appreciate this for its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with the Shopify stores. The app offers customization options, effectively reducing cart abandonment and increasing add to carts, and the support team is highly responsive and skilled in assisting with customization and troubleshooting, and is highly recommended for its positive impact on businesses. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money you've actually made. That's where our sponsor ProfitCalc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, as well as a ton of different details, analytics, and metrics, so you can make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, TikTok, and Pinterest, as well as many cost of goods sold options. There's a link in the description below. You can also find it in the Shopify App Store by searching ProfitCalc and then looking for this logo in the top left. Both options get you the app listing page where you can get a 15-day free trial to test drive everything for yourself. So this is going to conclude the video here on the top slide cart apps for your Shopify store. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below, as that really helps the channel out. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.